Hi my friends, welcome to another video. So today we're going to plant an indoor plant. We're going to pot an indoor plant, and this plant is called jade plant. Okay, so jade plant improves indoor air quality. So I got me these two, and I got it from another potted jade plant, and I got my pot, filled it with some soil, and you're going to see how I'm going to prep the soil at the end of the day for more nourishing. And I'm using this plastic spoon to scoop it to create a hole. I'm using one hand because one hand is holding the camera. And yeah, so I'm just practically just digging a hole in this flower pot so that I can, put in the stem, the side that will bring out the roots, so that it's well covered with the soil. And that's it. So that was just all I did. And then what you see me pouring in there is about half cup of oats. Now, oats helps to nourish the soil. So it's like adding some kind of extra nutrients, trying to make the soil to be, to enrich the soil. Basically, that's what I'm doing with those oats. So oats really helps, to enrich your soil. And after that, I water the soil because it was really very dry and coarse. Yeah, that's all I did, and that was that. So I'm just trying to position the jade plant so that it stands straight, firm, and cover the stem side, the side that will bring out the roots, to cover it properly. So jade plant increases humidity indoors and is also believed to have a good luck symbol, especially if you place it at the entrance of your house or the entrance of your business. It's easy to maintain because jade plants has lots of benefits. Okay, it also has some medicinal properties. Some people use it to cure stomach ulcer, warts. Extract from the leaves helps to treat wounds and so many things, and even diabetes, the juice from this jade plant. And it also adds a touch of beauty, of course. Who does not want some greenery indoors, It also absorbs carbon dioxide at night. Thank you and bye-bye. See you in another video.